Wednesday. I am on my way to get my nails done. Today is a nail day for myself. Pedicure, mani, the whole shebang shaboogle. I haven't had my nails done since before we left for our cruise. And I think it was like on, was it Tuesday before we left? So it was almost a good 4 days. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yeah, 4 days, 5 days actually before we set sail. So I think I had it done on Tuesday the last time. But I knew that I was making my appointment. It was funny when I was making my appointment, I'm like, ooh, I'm gonna have it done on Halloween. Spooky. So happy Halloween, guys. I hope that everybody has a wonderful day. I hope the weather is nice for all of you guys and all of your little trick-or-treaters out there. We probably won't get a lot of trick-or-treaters. I'm guessing like last year, I think we had like 3. We don't really get a lot of trick-or-treaters, and I really don't know why. Because we have a really awesome subdivision, but a lot of the people in our subdivision have older kids too. So all of the kids are older and grown up, and none of them trick-or-treat. However, we have had 2 new families move into our subdivision that have younger kids. So we shall see if we have more trick-or-treaters than normal. But yeah, Halloween-y. I'm gonna dress up, I hope. I'm thinking I'm gonna try to dress up for the trick-or-treaters. I don't know yet. I said I was going to, and then I'm like, and then when I like start thinking about it, I'm like, I really don't feel like doing all that. But I did a couple of years ago and I really enjoyed it. I dressed up for the trick-or-treaters and we had quite a few, and I was really happy about that. That's what I liked the most, is that I was able to dress up and be part of it with the trick-or-treaters, and that's always so much fun. I love dressing up anyway. I love just the thought of costumes. I love all of that stuff. So I'm hoping that next year the other girl in our subdivision will have a Halloween party, because the one lady who used to have Halloween parties like every single year, and I think Brian and I have only attended 2 of her parties since we've lived here, because she hasn't had any more. She used to have huge Halloween parties, tons of people, and those were always so much fun. But she got away from all of that because it was just like too much decorating and all that good stuff. But I just think it's so much fun, and I would definitely do it if we had a basement. So if I had a basement in my house, I would have a Halloween party every single year without a doubt, and it would just be so much fun. But because we don't have a basement, we don't have enough room in our house upstairs to host a big party like that. Costume party. I used to do costume parties at my house. I had, I think 2 or 3 like costume parties, and they were for my birthday. We did a 70s party, we did 80s. Oh, I did 3. We did a 70s party, we did 80s, and we did a roaring 20s party. So we had 3 parties at my house where everybody could dress up. Well, the last one was my 80s party, and that was almost 2 years ago. And since we had maybe 6 people show up, I was just like, you know what, I don't want to go through this anymore. Nobody RSVPs, and it just drives me crazy when nobody RSVPs. So, and then only like 5 or 6 people showed up, and I was like, okay, that's it, I'm not doing it anymore. As much as I would love to, I just cannot stand the fact that people will not RSVP. They won't RSVP. Pisses me off to no end. I have to have an RSVP, and then I work so hard to, you know, to decorate and buy all the fun stuff that goes with each themed party. And oh, not that I was like so afraid of a cop, but we were not supposed to have like handheld devices in our hands, and I'm not sure if like camera's like one of them. Anyway, nonetheless, so what was I saying? I would like to, but all of the trouble that I go through to, you know, decorate and make things and have food and prepare for everything, and for only 5 people to show up and then nobody RSVP, yeah, that's so rude, and it's so disrespectful for the person hosting. So I'm just like, RSVP people. So if they don't RSVP, I just decide not to have anything anymore, because, you know, that's just it helps me. I don't know. It's a weird thing, I know, but people who don't RSVP drive me crazy. So I would just rather not be part of anything if nobody can be nice enough to RSVP to somebody's party who they've invited them to. So that's just me. But anyway, so I'm gonna go get my nails done. I wanted to stop. I think I still can get a Starbucks really quick. I'm gonna run into Starbucks really quick, get my Starbucks, and then get my nails done. And I will check back with you guys after I get my nails done. So like, seriously, how weird is that? So I went over here, like my check engine light has been on since Brian did the battery the other day. And it was actually on this morning. And I was like, okay, well after I'm done with my nails, which I got my nails done. After I get my nails done, I'm just gonna take it over here to the place and see if they can just check it out and see how much, you know, see why my check engine light is on. They were gonna charge me $100 for a diagnostics like check, just to see why the check engine light was on. That's absolutely absurd. But I get back in the car and start it up, and I'm on the phone with Brian. Check engine light's no longer on. So I'm like, okay. So I think it just had to do with the battery, because like there's nothing wrong with my car. It's like the car is almost, it's like a brand new car, because number one, it's been taken very well care of. Very well care of. Did I make that? Did I say that right? It's been taken very well care of. It's been taken care of very well. Maybe that's it. Grammar check. Anywho, my car is in pretty good shape. So anyway, nonetheless, so I think it was just because it was the battery. That would be my sister. Hold please. Hello, sister.
What are you doing?
All right, guys. Hey, I'm back, and I was talking on the phone with my sister, and I was actually talking on the phone with my sister for a very long time, which is very, very nice. I was very happy to be able to talk to her as long as I did, and I'm really looking forward to seeing her tomorrow. So I sat in a parking lot for a few minutes while I talked to her, and then after we were finished talking, I ran into TJ Maxx and to Office Max. They're kind of like right next to each other, just like across the little parking lot. And I went into TJ Maxx just to see if they had any Christmas Ray done stuff. And the only thing that I found was this. So I did pick this up. This is just a regular like little serving tray. I figured cute little candies or something would be cute in that, but it just says Holly Jolly. And that was the only one that they had Christmas wise. That was $7.99. And I also picked up this 5 days a week, which is like a little like calendar type of thing where I could just like leave out and print or have, you know, write down every single day of the week what I need to do and what I need to get done. This really does help me out a lot. This was at TJ Maxx as well. That was $3.99. And then I picked up these little markers. These are like detail doodlers, and those were $4.99. I like colored pencils, colored markers. And then I ran into Office Max really quick, and they actually had their planners on clearance. This one was $5.96, and this was a 2018-2019, and I figured that'll be perfect for right now. And then this one I picked up as well. This one is 2018-2019 as well. This is just a little bit of a thinner one, which I like. And this one's a little bit bigger. I already know what I'm going to do with those. I picked up some whiteout. I picked up some pencils that were already sharpened, thank goodness. But these are just some regular like pencils, because I like writing stuff down in my planners and in my calendars in pencil. That way I can erase them. But if I don't, that's what the whiteout's for. And then I got these felt tip marker pens because these were on clearance for like $8 at Office Max. So I am all set for the rest of the year, trying to get, you know, obviously organized for the holidays and getting all of that stuff taken care of. And then this is just a little notebook that I'm gonna keep with me in my purse to jot down notes and stuff when I need to. So for right now though, I'm actually gonna take off my sweater. It's about 1:30 and I actually really need to start getting my stuff packed up, but I'm gonna use a restroom first and then I'm gonna look through my stuff, my calendars. Alrighty guys, so basically what I've been doing for the past 45 minutes or so is I sat down and I started kind of going through my calendar. I just kind of started writing down stuff in October. Like, do you guys ever like go back and backtrack and write down things in your calendar that you like did through the month? Like the whole week that we were gone for the cruise, I like just filled all that in. It was just so nice. I don't know what, I don't know what happened to my other calendar or my planner, but it's gone. I cannot find it anywhere. More than likely, it's probably stacked upstairs in some pile that I need to like go through and organize. But anyway, that's why I didn't want to spend a fortune on a new calendar, because they're like, you know, they're kind of expensive, but I'm happy that I only spent $6 on this one. So basically what I did is I went through and just kind of put down, you know, our cruise, when Devin and Lisa came in, leaving for Tampix, all that good stuff. We did all that. Start editing videos, which is right here. And then obviously my posting videos was starting right here. And then today, this is today's, which is nail day, which I can check that off, and packing for Tennessee, which I'm about ready to go do. And then over here in the next section, which I left all that stuff blank because we were gone. And this is where it starts, like today. So even though we're not going on to the winery with Ray and Sandy on Saturday, I've already crossed that all off. I'm going to my brother's baby shower. I'm leaving tomorrow for Tennessee. So I'll be in Tennessee tomorrow, Friday, and Saturday. Saturday I'll come home as well in the evening. And then Sunday, which I forgot to write down here, is the chili cook-off. Did I spell chili wrong? Cook-off next door at Paul and Stacy's. So that's at 2 p.m. So I wrote that in there just now. You guys saw that. And then Hannah's birthday, my niece, is the 5th. And then 6, 7, 8, and 9, Brian and I are going to be in Savannah. So I've already kind of just got that crossed off. Tuesday is, or Monday, the 12th, is my son Cody's birthday. He'll be 26. And then Wednesday is Austin and Dalton's birthday. They'll be 21. And then the week after that is Thanksgiving, and we leave for Tennessee again for Thanksgiving, but we're only going to stay one night and then we'll be home. But I also need to write down on here like when I'm going to put my Halloween decorations away and when I'm going to pull out my Christmas decorations. So that is going to be an interesting thing, because right here I have to pack for Savannah and probably put Halloween stuff away right there. But if I do, then I'm probably going to just write that in here, which is going to be put Halloween stuff away. So yeah, you guys can see that I just try to write everything down. Halloween away. And then hopefully that'll be all put away. And then when we come back from Savannah, I will start on that Monday, which is the 12th, getting Christmas decorations out. So I'm going to actually write down here Christmas decor out and start decorating. / start decorating. And this is pretty much what I try to do. And I try to keep up with it as much as possible, but obviously sometimes that fails. But I try to keep up with it as much as possible because it really helps keep, you know, my life from being so chaotic and crazy. So that's what I kind of like to do. But I love planners and I love markers and I love different things. So I think we've already discussed all of that before. But anyway, these markers are really nice. These are by American Crafts, and these are the detail doodlers, which I picked up at TJ Maxx for $14.99. Those are the ones that I've already been using to write into this calendar. These are amazing. I absolutely love them. So I'm very, very excited to have them. I'm actually gonna like keep them with me in my purse, but I have to like find a little pouch to keep them in, which is going to be fine. And then I want to try to find a little like pouch thing to keep my calendar in when it's with me, so I can just like keep a calendar all the time with me. But that's why I actually have this that I can keep with me as well in my purse, because then I can just jot things down. If I don't remember, then I can just add them to my calendar. So that kind of helps. So that is like what I'm gonna like focus on, is keeping all of that stuff straight and orderly. That's my goal. That's my goal to do, because I can't find my other one and I don't know what, and I never really share it with you guys. I just kind of write my stuff down and just kind of go with it from there and just check everything off. But yeah, I just kind of thought I would share that with you guys today, since today wasn't like a very, you know, exciting vlog day or anything. But now I've got to go pack for Tennessee. And so that's what I'm getting ready to go do right now. So let's go start packing. Alrighty, so basically I've packed pretty much everything that I'm going to bring with me. I'm just gonna pack or wear one pair of jeans, and those are the jeans that I'm gonna wear tomorrow. I have a shirt for Friday, a shirt for Saturday, and then of course I'm coming home Saturday, so I'm not really too worried about anything else. I've got jammies, panties, I've got my navy blue shirt, my sweater, cardigan. I just have to grab my shoes and I'm good to go. So basically this is, I didn't put those in the suitcase yet, but that stuff's got to go in there. This is my toiletry stuff, obviously. And then I did find a little pouch for my markers, so I can just take my markers and stuff with me, which is really, really nice. And this is my little calendar that I have with me. So nice, I'll put that in my bag. And then, yeah, so pretty much is it. I am actually going to go ahead and end the vlog here so I can get this up and edited for you guys for tomorrow. There probably will not be a vlog up on Friday morning, but there will be one Friday night. Don't forget 6 p.m. My cruise vlogs are still coming out. There's one tonight, there's one tomorrow, there's gonna be one till I think Monday night, I think. I'm not really sure. But anyway, you guys have them at 6 o'clock every night this week. But I do have a video going up Saturday and Sunday, so you guys are all covered. So I will see you guys tomorrow on my way to Tennessee. Bye, guys.